Hi everyone, on today's prompt of hashtag Steampunk Adventures, we are on day 13, which is pipes in vehicle. So I got some pipes here. And none of this is going to really go with each other. I'm just putting a background of pipes down, and then I will be putting some type of vehicle down. And today I'm just going to go over some of the pipes with some stickles. And that's about it. So it's, nothing too good or serious or fun. Just, I am terrible this week. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 journals I have to list. Not only do I have to list them, I have to make the tassels for them. I have to do the spine. I have to put the charms on the strings. I have to package up a peacock journal tonight that sold yesterday night, but I didn't have time this morning to get everything together, and I didn't want to rush with the packaging because I got to make a pen to go with it. So I am going to be very busy tonight with all this stuff. And I was supposed to do these videos yesterday. I have this one, and then I'm going to upload my Creepy 13, and I didn't get to do them last night. I was in a mood, I got home from work, I was in a mood, and I just didn't feel like crafting. So, had dinner, and I just went to bed. I didn't go to sleep, but I just kind of just laid there and sulked a little bit, And so, as soon as I got home today, that's it. I was like, that's it. I gotta go and do these things right now. Because I know if I sit on the couch, it's never gonna happen. I can't sit on the couch. Not even for 5 minutes, because I ain't getting up. That's why as soon as I get home, I do my cooking and all that stuff. If I have to cook that day, or if I already have something prepared in the crock pot. I do that a lot because when you get home, you don't want to be... Ugh. I did that for years, and I'm sick of it now. So now, I make a lot of crock pot meals, so that when we're home, it's done, and that's that. I just, But, so, anyway, so all day at work, I was thinking, okay, when I get home, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do this, and it's crazy. It's like, all right, calm down. When you get home, you'll get it done. So I'm going to do these 2 videos. Then I'm going to do the laces. Oh, no. Let me package up my order first. Then I'll do the laces on the spines of the 3, 4 journals I have sitting over here. And then I will hopefully do the tassels tonight. But if I don't feel like doing those, at least everything else done. Because I can't list them yet until the tassels are on them anyway. I usually have to have the spines dry for a good day. I'll put some lace on them and have it dry, and then hang the tassels off of them. So I'm not going to really be able to list it till tomorrow anyway. And then tomorrow's Friday. So I'll probably give myself some leeway. So it's probably more likely than not, I'll post my journals up by Saturday or Sunday. I have a feeling that's what's going to happen. So here's my steampunk vehicle. I was looking for a vehicle, and I was like, oh, that's different. Let me use that. Oops. I'll take care of that later. Pop you guys up a bit. Today at work was nuts too. Like, I was busy in the morning, then I wasn't busy all afternoon. And then I got busy again around 2:30, 3 o'clock. And of course I'm not finished, so when I get to work tomorrow, I'll have to finish some things. And then we got a link. It was someplace in Italy was trying to scam us. So luckily I didn't get too far into the email to cause any damage. So we nipped that in the bud and we called IT and they took care of that for us. Always something. So that was good. Put him down here. Excuse me. Tired, very tired. There's a challenge going on now. Everyone's walking 30 for 30. They walk for 30 days, 30 minutes each day. I thought that was great, but I knew that when I came home from work, I was not gonna want to be walking. That's for damn sure. So, but I have my bike, and I'll be using that, but I just knew there was no way I was gonna go walking. I have laundry going, and this and that. Yeah, I know, they're all excuses, but still. That's why I got the bike. So, I could, you know, because going out and walking it's just better. I'd just rather be in the house. And I can't really walk in the house because it's, like, yeah, I can't, I mean, I guess I could go in the basement and walk, but that's really not, that's not really an exercise to me, because you just going up and down a small space, like you can't really power walk or do any of that on like a nice stretch, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna do that, but that's what the bike's for. But I give everybody credit that's doing it. They're doing a great job. Everyone's getting out there, and that's really good. I'm just gonna highlight some of these pipes. There's no rhyme or reason. Just gonna highlight some of them. Imagine if we had sparkly pipes. I'm like, wait a minute, is that a pipe? Wrinkles, did you show everyone how clean you are now? Show everybody how nice and clean you are. You did a great job. He stayed nice and still. My friend took today off. She had to get an ultrasound for her son's foot, and then she says to me, "Oh, they couldn't do it today. They got to do it tomorrow, and then I got to take another day off." I'm like, "Yeah, and enjoy it. What's there to be upset about?" Especially her job. Nothing piles up. It's it's great. Like you could take 5 weeks off, and you just don't have to worry about anything. So that's really cool. All right, I think this is enough. I don't want to do too much, and well, you know what? I'll do this part too. I think that's good. Let me see. Oh, you guys can't see that. Now you can kind of see it. Just gives it a little bit of something in some spots. You know what I mean? Just enough. Just enough. You don't want to do too much. But just liven it up a bit, you know? I think that's good. All right. So, where's my thing? Okay. All right, guys. So this is what I have for today for pipes in vehicle. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to work on my Creepy 13 and then post that. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.